So, what is gratitude? Gratitude is is a feeling associated to an experience. Now, experience is a verb, it's a doing, it's a feeling associated to something that you're doing. Now, doing need not be physically doing. It can be physically running. Continuation to that is this doing can be in reality in this physical world, or it can even be in my augmentation. My brain, my neural chemistry, my immune system cannot distinguish between what's happening to me in my physical world or what is happening to me in my augmented reality. Between lack and wholeness lives the memory of gratitude. It's a verb and it's an experience. Well, there are people in between, but remember that people are only the echo of your sound. This world that you're living today is an echo. When you begin to change what you're grateful about, well, your outer world may take some time to catch up with your inner reality. It will take some time to catch up with your inner reality, but that's the sound. Don't discount the sound because the echo is taking some time to recalibrate itself. Don't disown your sound. Don't negotiate your sound because the echo is taking some time. This is the echo. You're living in an echo chamber. What is the sound? You got to find out. To find out what. So we all pray. We all pray. I would say gratitude is a prayer in itself. Gratitude is a full prayer. I think gratitude prayer is enough. Gratitude is not a journal. It's a sensation. It's a sensory participation. It's a feeling. It's a reminder that I'm a cake. It's a reminder that what I enjoyed today is an echo. It's a reminder that the sound in me created that. It's a reminder that I can do this more and I can do it again. It's an inventory check.